Hello, and welcome to Penn State's 2020 Virtual Dairy Cattle Nutrition Workshop. If we haven't met, I'm Coleen Jones, and I'm the conference coordinator. In this short video, I'm going to talk about how the event is going to work and show you how to navigate the online event guide. Before we get to that, I would like to take a minute to recognize our planning committee. Many of these folks have served on the committee for a number of years, and they are the ones responsible for the great speakers and content that we bring you each year. We meet in January to develop the agenda, and of course we had no idea at that time that this would be a virtual event, but here we are. So we did invite the folks on the planning committee to participate in the recording of the talks for the corn silage session. So I encourage you, watch those talks all the way to the end so you can hear those question and answer sessions. We're glad that you could join us, and we hope that you will find value in the talks that we've presented. Whether virtually or in person, our goal is to provide you with information you can put to work today to help you and your clients succeed. So let me show you around a bit. This is the online event guide. And obviously, if you're watching this video, you have already found the app or downloaded the online event guide. And these will be your tools for accessing all of the conference content. So take a few minutes to get acquainted with them before the conference officially begins on November 11th. They have the same content and features, but the app is designed for mobile devices, and the online event guide is better suited for laptops or desktops. You'll use the schedule feature to access links for all of the sessions, whether those are pre-recorded or live events. These links are going to be released in 2 batches, the first on November 11th and the second on November 12th. And before the links are released, you can use this schedule to look at descriptions of each of the sessions to get an idea of what's coming up. You can also use the online event guide or the app to get information about our sponsors and exhibitors. And while you're at it, please thank these companies because they are helping us bring the virtual event to you and helping us keep the lights on so that we can return to a more normal type of event, hopefully very soon in the future. I'm going to highlight 2 more features you might want to explore: the attendee list and the activity feed. In the attendee list, you can edit your profile, and this is where you can communicate with other people who are attending the meeting. And that could be through a private message or by setting up an appointment. And again, that's with the online event guide or the app. Another great way to connect to each other is the activity feed. This is a public space, but it's a great way to share information about your company or to share your top takeaways from a particularly great talk that you just heard. In a virtual world, it's a fun way to simulate those hallway conversations that we all enjoy. And finally, I encourage you to join in for our live exhibit hour. That's going to be from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time on November 11th. Our gold level exhibitors and some of the sponsors will be live in a Zoom meeting, and we'll have a separate breakout room for each of the companies. We'll be putting some information about what those companies will be offering during that hour here at the live preview that I've highlighted on the screen. Once you're in that live meeting, you'll have the opportunity to move freely from room to room. And if you do get stuck, you can reach out to me. I'll be online to help you if you have any problems during that time. Well, with that, I'll let you get exploring, and thank you for joining us. Be sure to mark your calendars for our 2021 Nutrition Workshop, which will be held October 27th and 28th at the Hershey Lodge in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Thanks and have a great day.